So as part of yesterday's class, we learn about different what is a Python, who developed the Python, the name behind the history behind on Python, and features of Python, and we also discuss. We also learn about few more things. How to install a Python, how to launch the Python. So these are the few things what we have discussed it on yesterday. So today also we'll continue the same. So as part of Python. So today before going to the further topics, first we'll also discuss about differences between Python, Java, and C++. As you know that Python supports Python is a high level interpretation language. But when it comes with Python supports different program paradigms, which means that so it supports the object oriented, it supports the functional oriented, and it also supports the procedural oriented. So that we have discussed it on, that we have seen it on yesterday. Now if somebody asks you that, can you tell me the few differences between Python, Java, and C++, because all these are the programming languages. Even Python is also running. Python is also built based on C only. C++ is extension. Java is also same. But what are all the basic differences? What are all the basic differences between these things? What are the basic differences between this? We are going to be discuss. We are going to discuss them. So as you I mean as for that main features. So the first, I mean when it comes with the syntax, when it comes with Python syntax is very simple and straightforward. It is a high level, it is a high level programming language. So which means that I mean, if you know the English, the way you make a sentences on English, for example, in English, you want to build some sentences. So you follow some grammar, and along with the grammar, you follow along with grammar. So if you follow that, if you use the proper words, you can make a sentence, right? Similarly, when it comes with Python is also as similar. Python is also so as similar. So Python is also as similar. The syntax is very simple, readable like English, few lines of code. Even for a large scale activities, the few lines of the code is sufficient. So when it comes with Java, so requires more requires more details. It's a kind of verbose, and we required I mean we need to keep more attention. So we need to keep more attention. So when it comes with C++, the syntax of C++ is more complex, with more symbols and keywords. Whereas so when it comes with from left to right, C++ is the complex, Java is a, I mean compared to C++ less. Even compared to the Java, Python syntax is very simple. Python syntax is very simple. So here we are having a class, main method, everything we need to be defined on Java. Whereas in Python, just a few lines of code. So typing means, as I said that, so yesterday we discussed about variables, right? Dynamically typed. So yesterday we discussed about the, so dynamically typed. So what is the meaning of dynamically typed? So you need not to explicitly define the type of a variable, and type of variable, and a type of variable automatically the, I mean we'll, anyhow we are going to discuss about the variables and all. Basically a variable is a placeholder. A variable is a so placeholder. It stores the data, so these variables are really helpful to write any to write a program. So any kind of program if you are going to write, so whichever the program you are writing, variables plays a key, variables plays a key it plays a key role on so programming. So when it comes with Python, the Python variables are dynamically typed, so no need to declare and variable types. Whereas in other two cases we have to define it. This we already discussed it in yesterday. So as I said that Python doesn't require a external compiler, compiler. So it compares the line by line. Whereas Java compiled plus JVM, Java should be compiled, and the JVM bytecode. I mean the the program, the main program. okay, runs on okay JVM. So faster than okay Python because it is compiled and the bytecode runs on the okay, JVM. So when it comes with okay C++, it will be compiled directly on a mission code. So fastest. So compared to that execution, C++ is a faster compared to Java. Okay, then Java is a faster compared to the Python because Python execute the program line by line. Whenever you run a program, the Python executes a program okay, line by line. Whereas in Java, it's no okay. I mean, there will be a compiler. Once the compiler will compile the code, the once whatever the code is compiled, that entire code will be can run inside a JVM. So JVM is a different mechanism, Java Virtual Machine. So it is a kind of okay another mission. So once we run a program, okay, once you start any Java program, it will initiate a JVM. So that JVM contains that JVM okay contains the program logic and everything runs on like a JVM. So when it comes with okay Python, okay, C++, so C++ directly okay it's compiled on directly on mission code wherever the mission is there. So directly to run a mission code, so it is a faster. So compared to this, even C is also much faster. Then we're also having the platform okay, independence. What is the meaning of platform independence? Runs everywhere. So which means that so I mean platform means here Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, wherever it is, which means that so the platform independence means we can able to okay create a program on okay Windows. The same program we can able to run okay other places also. Whereas okay same also runs on JVM, right ones okay run anywhere. So need recompilation on each OS platform, which means that if you go with okay C++, the C++ feature is once you run a okay, once you create a C++ program, so if you develop a program C++ on Windows, then whenever you are converting the same code into Unix, you need to be recompiled. And okay, whenever you recompile, if there are any issues you are getting, you need to change the logic. Whereas in okay, Java, no. That's why Java is completely a platform okay, independence. So runs on okay, JVM, which means that wherever you run a program, so even Python also, I mean, Python and okay, JVM, Java almost okay, platform okay, independence, which means that you write a program anywhere and we can run on okay, any operating system because okay, Java program runs on okay, inside the JVM. Python okay, runs okay because Python okay again it's a kind of line by line execution. Whenever if there are any syntactical differences, we can correct and we can run it. But that's why there is a question on okay even so whether Java is a okay platform independence or platform dependence. The answer is platform independence. Why it is platform independence? You write a Java program on anywhere by using Eclipse or by using any of the okay, sources or okay IntelliJ by using any of the okay any of the mediator. That code you can run okay wherever because the entire code runs inside the JVM. Okay, now memory management. So the memory management in the sense yesterday also we have discussed automatic okay garbage collection, which means that so once your program is completed or okay, while executing the okay, for example once the program is completed, automatically resources will be okay, revoked from that program. Or if there is a program is running with okay some resources and okay in between okay there are couple of resources. Okay, I mean for example when you are running a program okay generates the lot of intermediate steps and okay then after that okay once it is completed, then based on the output others will write. It is a kind of sequential operations inside the program. So automatically so once the even subprogram is also completed, the resources will be resources will be given to operating system, the Python itself. You need not to have a extra mechanisms to clear the okay I mean okay to get the resources back. I mean even okay memory management also. Whereas in Java, okay, we do have a GC collection. So we need to okay automatic garbage okay, collection. So in C++, so we need to okay do it like a manual. So we can use the smart pointers in more somewhere. And programming paradigms, yesterday as I told, so it is a multiple, whereas Java is purely object oriented, C++ is a procedural oriented. So procedural oriented is the okay, C++. And okay, speed will be faster than Python, slower. This we already okay known it. And okay, easy of learning. So if you want to learn a C++, it's a harder. So then, but when it comes with the Java medium, it is okay easiest. The use cases are Python is going to use an AML, data science, web. There are many places we are going to use. And okay, even okay, Java, enterprise apps, banking, mobile, Android, big data. So these are all the places are using by the okay Java. So okay, system software, okay, game engineers, okay, high performance applications. If you want to develop anything, then okay, we can go with okay C++. The communities and libraries are so huge ecosystems. For example, there are lots of the things, whereas in okay strongly community, I mean, so here strong but okay more low level, less C++ we don't get much support. You need to debug and you need to okay learn on it. But in Python we do have a multiple okay things. So if somebody asks you that can you tell me the few differences, we can also okay, remember this feature, and those features we can also compare with okay compare with other programming like language. So I hope everybody is clear why we are going to learn okay Python. So any doubts on okay here? You can okay speak. Let me know if you're having any doubts, or you can also chat, so that okay, if you're having any doubts, I'm happy to clarify. Okay. Okay. Now, so yesterday we learned okay how to install the Python. So how to install the Python? Okay, simply just okay go to Google and okay search okay Python. So just okay Python okay download. Just search for Python download. You will get python.org. So click on that python.org. Go to that okay downloads. Click for download Python 3.7. So based on your internet speed, this will be downloaded, and based on your internet speed, this will be okay installed. So once you installed, then okay, how can we create the programs? There are two ways to create a okay, program. There are two ways to okay, run programs with okay, Python. One is so directly we can okay open the okay notepad okay plus plus. So notepad okay plus notepad or notepad plus plus any, so okay, anything okay we can okay use it, notepad or notepad plus plus. And okay go to so notepad okay notepad okay plus plus. So directly okay open a new and okay save it as okay, then save it as okay, for example first type something. So okay file, so click on okay file okay save as, okay save as. So whichever the location okay you want okay okay, for example okay if you want to go with okay any location, so D, and go inside this and create a okay programs, for example okay new okay folder Python programs, Python okay programs. Okay then, so okay then after that okay just save it as first dot okay py, first dot okay py. So once you start this okay first.py, the I mean we can also use okay notepad or notepad plus okay notepad plus plus. So if you are going to use the notepad plus plus, there are some advantages with notepad plus plus. What are the advantages? If you are having any keyword, so okay, I mean if there is any okay whenever you are writing a program, so it will try to provide okay some okay, it will try to provide okay some it will provide okay some suggestions okay, suggestions, for example okay import okay OS. So or for example okay if you are trying to use this okay print, so you will get some okay color differences and okay some kind of okay you will get okay, I mean it will be easy for you to differentiate where the program and all, that is the one thing. So once we develop a program, for example okay print okay print okay welcome to okay Python, just okay welcome to, so okay Python, welcome to okay Python. So once you run this okay program welcome to Python, then just save this program. And okay once you save this program, now go to command prompt, just go to command prompt. We can, the extension of the Python file should be either .py or okay .python. Now go to that location. How to go to the location in Windows? Just type okay h location or okay h enter. So okay then okay h is okay, I mean okay h colon, 1 minute. So okay what is the location of okay this guy okay file? So okay Windows, go to that okay Windows. So it's a D, we are writing it on okay D. So okay under the okay D, so okay Python programs, So we are okay save it under D only. Let's okay keep this on okay let's so okay let's do one thing. Close this program. I'm going to okay move this program into Python okay programs. So now go to Python programs and double click on it. So automatically, so okay, automatically, so okay, I mean, can now go to okay here, okay, okay, here this is a D drive, right? What is the drive of this guy? So then if you okay in Windows, if you want to okay, if you want to change the directory, you just okay type D colon forward slash so that so D colon enter. So you are in okay D directory. Now after you are in D directory, then okay you want to go to the Python programs. So okay Python okay programs. So you okay you can also use the cd command. You can also use the cd command to change the Python program. Just okay I mean if you want to okay then so okay then okay if you want to okay display that okay content. So how do we display the content in okay command prompt? So what is the keyword? So okay, we with help of cd command, okay, we are changing. With help of cd command, so okay, we are changing it. And okay, I mean, we don't follow this approach. Okay, okay, we don't. I mean, we don't follow this one. So now, so if you want to okay display the okay files okay which are okay available on okay Windows, okay then so okay we need to okay execute. So okay if you want to okay execute this one. So for example okay dir. So dir okay will display the okay list of okay content. So which is okay available on so okay which is okay the file details. Dir okay here is the so even in command prompt also we can execute okay some commands. We can also execute this command. Now type Python just okay Python okay first dot okay py first dot okay py. So okay here Python was not found. Run without arguments to install. Okay, I mean now what you need to do? You need to go to that okay Python okay where the Python is installed. So from that location. So okay, I mean okay we need to identify the okay exact Python. So where that Python. So okay which Python the location where the location is installed. Then from there okay, we can able to so okay execute the okay programs. For example okay where the Python is located. So we have installed okay Python on. So okay if you go to okay C okay C and okay program files and okay here there is a okay I mean locations okay we have okay saved it. So for example okay if you want to know that okay where it is okay installed just go to this okay IDLE and okay open this guy. So okay open okay here. So okay file okay options. So okay, I mean so okay, wherever you install the Python so with help of that okay exact okay location of the Python so we can able to okay execute. So we can able to so okay execute the okay program. So once we okay this is the okay one way. But since we have already okay installed okay since we have already okay installed since we already okay installed okay Python okay on our okay desktop okay on our system we can directly open this okay IDLE. We can open this okay IDLE. So okay from this okay IDLE okay from this okay IDLE so okay we can able to so okay run it. For example okay file so just okay open. So we have created already one program, right? So the same program we can able to okay open okay from here. So Python programs okay first. So this is the okay Python program. So this is the Python program what we have okay developed, right? Now go ahead okay here run this okay module. So we are going to get the output. So welcome to the okay Python. So this is the one way to run okay if you are having a Python programs and okay if you want to run that okay Python programs this is the one way to okay run okay this is the one way to run a okay this is the one way to okay run. Then even command prompt also we can able to run. So okay dir. So Python was not found, run without arguments. So Python is already installed. So we need to be okay set up the okay, alias so that okay we can able to okay run it. So file properties. So if you know that okay exact okay okay I mean exact location then okay we can okay do this one. So now for example So okay, now I'm going to create a okay one more program. For example, if you want to create a new program, so okay in IDLE also we can able to create it. For example, okay edit. So for example, okay file, okay new file. So for example, now you want to create okay second dot okay. I mean, for example, so a is equals to okay, for example, okay a is equals to okay 10, and okay b is equals to okay. I mean just providing it high level. Then okay c is equals to a plus okay b. C is equals to okay a plus okay b, and okay after that okay then okay c okay then okay print c. For example, okay you are having okay this kind of program, then you can also okay save it, okay file, okay save. Okay, for example, okay, if you save this program, so where the python is located, the python is located on okay this location. So this is the location, so where the python is okay located, where the python is so okay located. So okay here okay save this one. So okay here okay second dot okay second just second. So automatically so okay this location okay we can able to do that now. So run this okay module. So we are going to get the okay output. Just okay don't think about much, but okay I will try to. So for example okay if you want to run the same program, just okay copy paste okay this guy and okay come here and okay run. So Python second dot okay py. So we are going to get the okay output. So for example, okay, if you want to run okay our program, so okay if you want to okay run okay the program okay which is okay located in which is located just okay the Python. So okay for okay Python just okay use okay first dot okay py. So this way we can able to okay run. For example, now if you want to okay run the program okay which is okay which is okay which. So okay here okay if you want to run this program, so this way also we can able to, so just okay copy and okay paste the okay I mean okay here we need to set the environment variables. So once we have the environment variables we can able to okay do that. So these are the two ways to okay execute the okay program. So along with okay these two, we are also okay having okay we are also okay having, so we are also okay having okay few more okay we are also okay having the few more ways. So for example, if you know that there are okay different ways to okay PyCharm. Okay, there are lots of okay GUI facilities. Even with okay that okay we do have a okay different okay Python okay softwares. So with help of okay those those softwares also we can able to we can able to create a program, and okay we can we can okay run it. So one is that okay as I told you that notepad plus plus, we're also having a PyCharm. So we're also having a spider, and along with okay spider, so there are okay multiple things. So let me write okay everything on okay here. So I mean if you want to okay not only for the installation, so okay I mean okay, here as part of installation, so this is one of the straightforward way of installation. Along with okay this we can also okay use okay PyCharm. So PyCharm is also okay one of the okay power okay it is also a okay powerful utility okay to debug, and it also allows you to do the PyCharm is a kind of if you take a Java, for Java we are having Eclipse, right? Eclipse is a tool to create a Java programs. If you're having a SQL, if you're going to use the database, so for the database okay, we are having SQL developer or okay, DBeaver and okay Toad and all. These are all the tools to connect to the database and to perform the operations effectively. Similarly, so these are the different okay Python okay utilities. So okay all these are the internet development environments only. So along with okay ID okay the few more okay few more okay IDEs are few more okay IDEs are. So one is okay PyCharm. So along with okay PyCharm, we can also okay use okay PyDev. So PyDev is also okay one thing. It is okay PyDev, which is okay offered by which is okay offered by which is offered by Eclipse. And along with okay PyDev, we're also having a okay Spider. And okay we can also having a okay Spider and okay Jupyter. So Jupyter okay, Anaconda. So okay, Anaconda, and okay, there are okay multiple things. So leave about this, and even we're also having a beginners. These are the okay different. So we go with okay PyCharm and all. So PyCharm and okay PyDev and okay VS Code, PyDev and okay VS Code. So okay we use it for okay we use it for so we use it for okay general coding. So general coding and okay DB interactions, all those kind of things. Okay we go with okay this one. And okay if you go with okay I mean if you go with okay Jupyter, okay I mean Spider and okay Spider and all okay Spider okay and okay these guys okay Spider Jupyter and all. So Anaconda we use it for the okay, data science AML and all. Those guys are okay using this okay this okay this okay IDEs. So IDEs are, you know, that IDE integrated development okay environments, integrated development. So environments, these are the okay, different ways. So we can also go to that okay Google, and we can search the PyCharm. So if you go and okay search this okay PyCharm, so this will be okay very helpful. So PyCharm, the only Python IDE you need it. So okay, here also we can able to download the PyCharm. So we can okay, make use of it. We can make okay use of it. It's all are straightforward only. So it's all okay, straightforward the way how you are going to do that. So any doubts on okay here? Let me know. So I just want to give that okay, highlights. Okay, whenever you are, I mean, there are different ways to create a programs. So one is okay, if you are going to install the same Python on Unix, so there we can use the VI command. So okay, or okay, for example, okay, we can also use the okay VI. Or okay, there are two ways. One is interactive way. One is the programming way. So there are two ways we can able to okay perform the operations with Python. One is through through a program. Other one is through a okay through interactive. So interactive means, so I mean yesterday we ran a sample program. Right? Interactive means so directly. So we are going to okay I mean okay here. So this is the okay, this is the way of okay interactive. This is the way of okay interactive. So interactive in the sense like we are going to define okay print okay. So okay print okay welcome to Bangalore. So whatever it is, so okay this is a kind of okay, interaction. This is a kind of interactive way. So if you are going to keep a set of okay a set of commands in a program, and if you are going to run that program through okay if you are going to run that program, so that is a kind of okay I mean okay that is a programming way we are going to okay execute, programming way we are going to so okay execute. So okay any doubts? So for example, okay, if you want to okay learn, so if you want to okay learn okay further things, so whatever it is. So for example, okay Python. So okay, if you want to okay run a, if you created a program which is in different location, so we have to specify. So let's see whether okay this will. So second dot okay py. So okay this is the one way, and okay here Python. So okay Python. So okay this is okay our okay first program, right? So let's copy this guy. So okay, Python, keep it on double quotations and okay, run this guy. Let's see whether, so I think still we need to set the environment variables. So okay, here Python programs,
నా
1 minute,
పైథాన్ స్పెల్లింగ్ రాంగ్ ఉంది.
1 minute. This program is open, right? So we need to okay, there is a absolute path and okay, I mean okay, direct okay, we need to okay, if the Python program is in different location, we need to follow the absolute path and okay, okay, direct path, right? So now our program is in a different location, so we need to follow the okay, exact path. The same way, the way how we execute that, okay, the way how we execute shell programs, the shell program, the same way, okay, we need to be okay, run it. So now go to okay, CMD, now go to okay, CMD, just okay, Python, just okay, type okay, Python, and okay, just okay, drag and drop to okay, here. So drag and drop. Okay, this guy. Then was not found. How it's get possible? So okay, file. Okay, open. Okay, file. Okay, edit. Okay, run. Okay, run this okay module. So we need to okay specify. So d Python. The same way we are doing, but I'm not sure. Maybe okay, I forgot this option. And also copy paste okay this guy. Control C. Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store or disable the shortcut in settings. So, but we don't want all these things, right? So, okay, see users Python. One minute. Okay, it's opening this correct. Python. 1 minute, we'll check it in Google. Hmm. So directly from UI also we can able to run it. Not this way. We are getting this error message, right? So I will check this okay, error message and tomorrow okay I will show you. So maybe if you get something, resolve this one. Setting apps. So okay, if you go to okay here, okay, settings, advanced okay app settings. Advanced okay app settings. So okay, app execution aliases. Registration. Locate the entries for app installer. Okay, app installer. Installer, for example, Python. App installer Python 3 Python. So okay, here toggle these aliases off to preserve the systems from redirecting Python store. So okay, I mean this kind of okay settings we are trying to do. Now go ahead and okay run this guy. No, this way I tried it, but it's not. Let me try. So our challenge is to run it from here. I tried that also, Kiran. The exact path and the exact location, D Python. Okay, I will check this. Okay, maybe okay, I don't want to okay, disturb. So okay, I mean before okay, I mean you know that there are different ways to so execute the okay, Python program because I always execute through this IDLE or okay, directly okay, from command prompt. Okay, from a direct Linux command prompt. So here okay, some settings and all okay, we need to do that. That okay, we'll do. And okay, these are the okay different ways. So now, okay, before okay, create, I mean, okay, before okay, writing any program. So okay, you know that. So now we learn how to create a program. So then, okay, whenever you try to okay debug a program. So whenever you do that, okay, I mean, whenever you run a okay, there are two ways to so okay run this okay Python program. One is interactive way, and one is okay through program. So the interactive way is okay straightforward. So as part of this okay, interactive way, what are you going to do that? So as part of this okay, interactive way, we are going to okay, run okay, the commands okay, one by one. So commands okay, one by one. For example, if you define so a is equals to 10, then okay, b is equals to okay, 20, then okay, c is equals to so a plus b, and okay, print c. So okay, print okay, c. But this can be okay, valid okay, until this okay, okay until this IDLE is open. Whereas okay, if you want to okay save this okay entire okay lines, the entire okay this program, then you have to keep it on okay program. You have to keep it on program. So the way of executing the program okay, always Python okay executes on interactive mode. So line by line it will try to okay execute line by line it will try to okay execute it. So now once you create okay any program, so okay, or once you run okay, okay, if even if you are trying to do any operations on okay command prompt or wherever it is, so assume that now I'm going to okay run instead of okay print. So I'm going to okay run okay capital PRI and okay capital print okay capital print. I'm going to okay run. So in this case, so you will get a some exception. You will get some okay exception, which means that so as part of okay, this is a common okay procedure on every programming language. So once we okay develop, so once we create any program or even on Unix also, or even in Oracle also, the moment okay when you type any commands or okay any commands on Unix or okay any other programming languages, once you press enter, what it I mean as I said that it will go for the compilation, right? So as part of compilation, it will check for the two things, whether it is a are there any semantic errors, are there any okay are there any okay syntactical errors, okay, are there any okay syntactical errors. So if there are no syntactical errors, if there are no okay syntactical error, okay, then okay your program will give it to that okay, then it will okay your program goes to the further, and okay then okay after that you will get okay you will get okay, output of a program, so output of the okay program. So even in okay Python also, if you are okay, as I said that debugging is very simple. I am okay, my intention is, and remember that Python is a case sensitive as similar as okay Unix. So it consider okay small case letters as small case and uppercase letters as okay uppercase, small case letters as small case and uppercase letters as okay uppercase. For example, if you go with okay print capital P, the remaining letters okay small case, we are going to get the okay, exception. We are getting as a exception, and at the same time it's also going to say that okay name error. What kind of error it is? It is a name error. Name print is not okay defined. Did you mean okay print? So it's trying to say that boss, you want to execute okay, do you want to execute the okay print? It is also going to provide some kind of okay suggestions also. So some kind of okay suggestions, some kind of okay suggestion. So whenever you run any commands, so okay whenever okay, okay whenever you run okay any commands or okay okay any commands on okay any commands on okay IDLE, then okay it go for the then okay it goes for the okay, compilation. So I mean everywhere it will go for the compiler. Our commands will goes to the compiler will check the okay, okay, syntax errors or okay syntax errors. If there are any syntax errors or okay if there are any okay syntax errors, it will okay your program okay fails okay with some exception. So okay the program okay fails with okay some exception. So you need to analyze that exception. Based on that exception, for example, if you don't know okay how to fix this exception, so I mean if you go through these lines, if you go through these lines like trace back, okay, file, print high, so okay your this is your command. So it is staying as name error. What is the meaning of name error? So we get a name error. So if you are going to okay execute okay something, okay, if you are going to okay you okay if you are going to execute something which is not okay defined yet, then okay we'll get this okay name error. So okay then it's also going to provide a suggestions that I think you are going to okay use the okay print statement, but okay, instead of that okay use the capital print. So based on that what we can do, we can type okay print, then okay print, okay we can type okay print and okay name, so that we can able to, so that okay we can able to so okay we can able to okay correct it, we can able to okay correct it. So okay, is it clear? Any doubts on okay here? So okay, I mean, okay, once we run any commands, okay, every commands okay will go with a, so okay, every command okay will go with okay, then okay every command, so it will go for the compilation. So it will go for the okay, compilation. So the steps okay behind on okay here is so whatever it is, whether it is a program or a command. So the Python okay interpreters, okay, the interpreter okay comes into the picture. So as I said that interpreter. So this interpreter so we'll create okay, internally the okay, Python virtual machine that is okay, internal. So even if you want to know that okay, internal steps okay, which are going to okay, run once you run okay, once you run any commands, it will okay, create okay, it will create one PVM, and it also okay check for the okay, it also check for, so okay any okay the entire our Python code okay will okay, the Python interpreter will convert into the so bytecode. This bytecode okay will run into this okay, I mean it will run against an PVM, I mean Python virtual machine, and you will get the output. And before that, so okay it will go, then compiler will come into the picture. Compiler will try to evaluate are there any syntactical errors. If there are any syntactical errors, it will okay it will okay your program will not okay execute, your program will not so execute. So basically, so there are okay three types of okay once you run a command, so immediately, so okay compiler, so compiler will come into the picture. Once the compiler is okay, I mean once compiler said that if there are no issues, then it will give it to the okay interpreter. So okay interpreter, so after this okay interpreter, then okay the interpreter okay interpreter okay convert the code into, so code into okay byte code. Then okay this okay byte code, so okay this byte code okay run it on okay PVM. What is the meaning of PVM? So Python virtual machine, so Python okay virtual okay missions. So on these Python virtual missions, then so okay then okay once it executes, then okay output okay displays on, output okay displays okay output displays in okay shell, displays in okay shell. So these are the okay steps, okay these are the steps okay behind on it. So I hope it's okay clear. Okay. So any further doubts? So, okay, before going to okay before, so okay how to execute the programs, okay Python programs okay we learn. So from IDLE, open IDLE, save it with .py extension, okay run this okay module. So if you want to run a okay program okay in a terminal, just okay Python hello.py, or sometimes Python 3 hello.py depending on your okay systems, whatever that, if you are going to okay do that. So how do we debug the system? So okay, how do we debug the Python program? In order to debug the program, so what is the intent of okay debugging a program? So finding and okay fixing the okay errors, finding and fixing the okay errors. So okay here okay we can also use the okay print statement, or we can also use the IDLE debugger. So we can also use the IDLE okay debugger okay tools. So IDLE debugger also we can able to okay use it. These are the different ways to okay debug. Or we can also use this okay PDB Python debugger, or okay then with help of Python debugger also we can able to so okay debug the okay code. So but you don't require okay all this much. So since Python is okay interpretation okay it executes line by line, you will come to know that. And even in future also, if you are going to if you are going to implement if you are going to create a Python program okay for a specific activity, so you always what you need to do is always always write okay small amount of code and execute that code. If you feel that okay this code is executing well, then only okay try to incorporate the okay further changes okay further okay I mean, so you divide okay you divide your Python program into smaller number of pieces. First develop the okay small piece. If that is working fine, then okay then proceed with okay further, then proceed with okay further. So that way we can able to okay we can able to okay complete okay, we can able to okay develop okay entire okay Python program. But still if you want to okay still if you're unable to do that, we can also take okay help of there are lots of social websites. So that is the okay advantages of Python. You just copy paste your Python code on some of that. You can also take the help of Chat GPT, or there are Windsurf. There are lot many tools are available. You just copy paste your Python code. You just okay then ask them what are the corrections needed. So you will get okay you will get correct output. I mean mainly Chat GPT is really helpful. You just copy paste okay your code and ask for okay suggestions. The Chat GPT will okay help you. So any further doubts on okay here? So okay, simply if somebody asks you that, so okay, how you are okay, how the Python program how the Python program executes. So you have to say that. So Python okay, Python internally having a compiler. So whenever you run a program, okay, it will go to the compiler, internal compiler. The compiler will evaluate the entire entire lines. If there are any mistakes, so it will try to. If there are any syntax errors, it will okay, I mean it will display it on the screen. If there are no syntax error, if everything okay looks good, okay then okay the program will convert into the bytecode. So okay bytecode, and this bytecode okay will I mean bytecode, and okay this will okay this bytecode okay run against on okay PVM Python virtual machine. Then once that okay PVM finishes its execution, the output will display it on okay screen. These are the four steps okay major four steps behind behind when you execute this okay Python program. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So we also learn about okay what is a PyCharm, Jupyter, okay the different okay Anaconda. There are okay different okay UI kind of utilities also to develop okay Python program. So clear? Any further doubts? Say yes or no?
No.
No.
Okay.
Clear అండి.
So now what we do is we will try to okay discuss about okay further concepts. So all whatever we learn, all these are basics. Don't think that okay we are spending much time. So even you may get okay interview questions or okay some kind of I mean whenever you are running any programming language, the basics should be very strong. So once we are having a good amount of knowledge on okay basics, so then okay we can start okay developing a program. So any programming language which we are going to learn, first you need to know that about that okay about the programming language, features, history, okay then advantages, disadvantages, okay how to create a basic program. So how to debug the program, what are the different ways to execute the program, so what are the different other softwares which are available to develop the same kind of program. So after that we need to learn about variables. After the variables we need to learn about variables are variables is a vast concept. So after the variable, we should learn about conditional statements, iterative control statements. When it comes with Python, we need to learn about functions, and we should also learn about the OOPS concept and some kind of real-time programs. This way, we can able to and along with that, so there could be some predefined there could be some predefined functionalities with respect to that that programming language you need to learn. For example, when it comes with Python, so as I said that Python is having a lots of predefined program, how to import those predefined program, so how to make use of it, all those things you need to be learn. So if time permits, we will also discuss about few internal modules which is already available, so that we will get some idea. So we will get idea. Now as part from last 3 days we learn about this we learn about so the Python history, all those details we learn it. So today we are going to now we are going to learn about, so we are going to learn about variables. So what is a variable and what are the different types of variables which are available. Then what now we are going to learn about identifiers. Then identifier is nothing but what is the meaning of now we are going to learn about so identifier. So when it comes with identifier, so identifier, it is a name. For example, in that currently everyone is having a name. So a name is a identification of a person. A name is a identifier of a person, right? So along with name for us, we're also having if you want to identify globally, so we do have a PAN card and Aadhaar card similarly, right? In the same way, so in same in Python also, in Python also, we do have a concepts called identifiers. So identifiers are nothing but it is a names given to the variables, functions, classes, objects, and extra. So whatever it is, objects. So whatever it is, objects. So whichever it is, functions, gani variables, whatever it is, we are going to provide a name. We are going to provide a name. Now when we are going to provide a name, we should follow some guidelines. We should follow some rules. We should follow some rules. What are all the rules we need to follow? So the name of the name of the letter should not start with the number. The name of the variable. So the name of identifier. So identifier is a name which we are going to provide in Python. So we are having a different concepts. One is variable, functions, classes, objects, methods, keywords. There are different ones. There are different identifiers are available. Now for in order to provide a name to that identifiers, in order to provide a names to that identifier, we should follow some guidelines. We should follow the so guidelines which are having an PEP Python. We should follow the we should follow the guidelines. So which are having an PEP. So PEP means Python enhancement proposal. So PEP is a kind of so PEP is a kind of it will just provide some rules. How do you how that rules and all. So it is not a programming under, it's a kind of documentation. So according to the PEP, so according to the PEP standards, for example in India, so if you all the banks are managed by RBI. So when it comes with telecoms are managed by the TRAI. So TRAI is not going to run any any they are not going to run any business, right? But the everything, for example, if you take that Airtel, so BSNL, Vodafone, all those things are going to follow the rules and regulations which are having it on TRAI. So whatever the rules they have set it on. Similarly, all the banks follow the rules of RBI, right? Similarly, for Python, we are having a PEP. So PEP is defined as Python enhancements proposals. So there we do have a list of list of instructions. According to the list of instructions, the name of the name of any identifier, the name of any identifier should not start with okay number, should not start with the number. It should start with either capital letter or okay small case. And so in okay in Python, Python is a case sensitive as similar as okay Unix, as similar as okay Unix. So it is also case sensitive. And okay, you should not also use the name of okay any identifier. You should not use the predefined okay keyword, predefined keyword. What are the predefined keyword? If is a predefined keyword, for is a predefined keyword, while, okay, do, okay, done, import, okay, there are okay couple of okay predefined keywords. Those okay those predefined keywords we need not to okay use it. So you need not to okay use it as part of okay, identifier. So okay, as part of identifier, so we should not okay use it. For example, okay, if you want to know that okay what are all the predefined okay predefined keywords we are having, we need to use this keyword called okay import. So import is a keyword. So basically I would just want to give, because going forward okay we use this import okay heavily. So import is a keyword. What import does is, so okay, what import okay does is, when it comes with okay Python, so import is a keyword. So import is a predefined keyword. It is used to bring okay, it is used to bring the okay bring the code or okay modules, functions from outside files into your program. So instead of okay writing your everything okay yourself, so okay just remember it. So we always okay use this okay keyword. So okay import. So import is if okay, I mean okay here. So let me write okay here only. So first you should know about what is okay import. What is a import? Is a one of the predefined okay keyword. What is a key? Okay, what is the import? So okay, with the help of okay import statement, okay, by using this keyword. So by using this okay predefined okay keyword, so okay we can, so okay we can get, so okay we can get the outside okay files, okay outside okay files, okay files, so outside files like okay modules, packages, and okay packages or functions, or okay functions, okay functions, okay functions, okay functions okay into the current programs, into the current program. So instead of okay rewriting, so instead of okay rewriting, so instead of rewriting rewriting the same code, instead of rewriting the same code, what is the meaning of this one? So for example, so as I said that Python is having a lot many of okay libraries, NumPy, or okay, for example okay sysOS. Okay, I mean what I mean to say that, it's a simple example. If you go with Oracle, in a Oracle, we learn about okay, a lot of predefined functions, for example, min, max, average, count of star. So, okay, who developed all of them? It is developed by the Oracle organization. Why they developed? Because these operations are common, okay, for everyone. So common for everyone. So because of that, so okay, because of that, okay, because of that, so they have created a okay, they have created some predefined okay functions. Similarly, in Python also, so across the world, I mean, whatever the common utilities are available, whatever the common utilities are available, common functionalities. So people have already developed and they have given to the Python. So they have given to the Python. So you can, instead of okay, if you want to, as I said yesterday, the same example of okay biryani, you need not to okay, you need not to okay. You need not to do the farming and wait for 6 months, and okay, you need not to wait for that much time. So in Python, when you are trying to do, you should know that we should go to the market, okay, we should go to that okay location. You should identify okay, what are all the predefined modules are available. Those modules you need to be okay download into your program. How do we download your program? By using this okay import keyword. So with the help of import keyword, what we can do is we can able to okay download the programs. We can able to download the predefined programs from from Python, okay, from Python library, or from either from Python library or from external sources into you okay into your current programs, into your so current program, into your so current program. So how do we download it? For example, okay, keyword is a package. So this keyword package is not aware. Okay, keyword is a kind of a module. So this keyword module is not available on my session. So if you want to make you okay, if you want to use that okay session into, if you want to make use of that module into current session, we need to use import. So import just okay keyword. So you can also say okay, you can also, so okay import, so keywords. So we just okay use this. So okay import okay keyword. So once we okay import this once we okay import this, so okay import okay keyword. So automatic, if, for example, like if you are trying to okay import if you are trying to import, for example, like if you are trying to okay import Bangalore, so if it is not available, you will okay you don't get it. So module not found error. So from where it will try to okay download. So if you go to that okay Python location, let me go to this okay Python location. So let's go to okay Python. So okay, let's go to the Python. So from okay here, so okay inside okay here, so Python 313 libraries. So all these okay libraries are predefined libraries are okay available. Control F, keyword. So okay keyword, keyword keyword. So this keyword, okay, this keyword Python program you are going to so download into okay, you are going to download into the current into your session, so into your okay session. So by default it will try to so look whether whatever the whatever if you are trying to import, whether that is available on this location or not, that is available on this under this library. If it is not available in this library, so you will get okay exception. What kind of exception you will get? Module not found error, which means that so you are trying to download a module which is called okay Bangalore, but that Bangalore is not available it on, so okay available it on okay predefined okay library. So we can also download it from some other. So if you want to download it from other location, we have to use this okay same okay import, okay same import. So okay, we should use this okay exact okay location, same import this okay exact location if you specify. So we can also we can also okay download, we can also download the other program into the current okay program. So okay, other program into the current okay session, or okay if it is a session and it will stay until that session level. So if it is a program, it will stay until that okay program execution, until that so program okay execution. So after importing this okay keyword, what is the okay, keyword module? The keyword module okay, will display the list of okay predefined okay keywords, so okay which are available on okay Python. So if you just run this keyword, so print print if you just okay, use this keyword. So okay, let's go ahead. So okay print, so okay print, so keyword dot kw okay list. So print the keyword dot kw list, it will show that. So okay it will show that okay what are all the, so okay these are all the predefined predefined okay keywords. These names, so these names you cannot okay use, you cannot okay these keywords okay these names we cannot okay use it for your use it as part of identifier. Identifier is a name of the variable or name of a function, name of a okay class, name of okay method, right? So this you cannot able to use, so this you cannot able to use as part of okay as part of your as part of okay identifier. So if you are going to learn all these things, you are okay familiar with okay Python. So if you are having a knowledge on all these okay keywords, then okay you can consider yourself that so you okay you are having a good knowledge on Python. It's not that much easy. For example, if you go with okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 around around okay 20 or 25 something is there. So if you are okay if you know the details of all these things, for example you already know about import, what is the in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, rise. So all these are the predefined okay keyword okay details. All these are the predefined okay details. So any doubts on okay here? So okay, if you want to know that, So okay, for example, once we download okay, any Python module or any Python package, if you want to know that what are all the so okay, what are all the okay sub programs are available in that available. For example, if you consider calculator, if you imagine calculator is a one calculator is a one method or okay one package. So inside the calculator, if you go with okay calculator, so if you open this okay calc, so this is a one okay package. Inside that, what all we are having? So okay, this is a one function, this is a one function, okay, this is a one function. So all okay, all here okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 everything. So okay, everything okay, we can okay, for example, all these okay, we can call it as, so all these okay, we can call it as a sub programs. If you're considering calculator is a main program, inside the main program, C is a okay one sub program, C is a one sub program, plus is a one sub program. So similarly, since it is a GUI, you are able to see that. For example, okay, if you want to know that, so if you want to know that, so okay, if you want to know that, okay, what are all the sub programs okay, which are okay available on okay downloaded program simply. So if you want to know that what are all the sub programs which are available on okay main program, then okay we can use this a keyword called okay dir. Dir okay, dir is a keyword. So import is a facility to download it. Then okay, if you want to know that what are all the okay sub programs available in this okay available in this module, we have to use this okay dir of that okay module. So all built-ins, cache, doc. So underscore doc will provide you the documentation that I will tell you later. But at a high level, try to remember it. Underscore file, underscore loader, name, package, spec. This we can't able to okay use it. I mean underscore doc and all we can okay use it. Then okay here if you see this one KW list. KW list is a subprogram of okay subprogram of okay keyword. So is keyword. So is of keyword KW list, soft KW list. So here which program we use? We use the KW list. KW means keyword okay list. KW list is defined as a keyword okay list. So is keyword okay, this way we need to be okay understand. Okay.